Hello Pop-Uppers, this is Cheche. Welcome to the Pop-Up Gallery. I have another video which I make a model of pop-up trees. There are two ways of creating a pop-up tree. If you want to try it, then keep watching. Let's make two identical trees. Make it big or small enough that it won't stick out of the paper. Make tabs by measuring the tree from the top to the center crease of the spread. There are two options on how to put the tabs. You can place them outward or inward. Let's paste the two trees together halfway. Let's paste the tabs onto the spread. For this video, I'm gonna put the tabs inward. Here it is! Your tree will stand in the middle of the spread like this. I've made a video before using this technique. If you want to see it, just click the link in the description below. The second way of making a pop-up tree is using the very simple V-fold mechanism. Fold the tree in the center, then create tabs at the bottom. Cut the edges to make it look clean. Paste the right tab onto the paper, then fold the tree. Put glue on the other tab and fold the spread over it. Here it is! Your tree will stand in the middle once you open the spread. I've made a video before about the pop-up mushroom. Check it out in the description box below. Enjoy pop-ups, dear pop-uppers. Thank you so much. See you next time. Have a great day. God bless. Bye!